Oh, it's a, what do you call it?
Yeah.
Spinner?
Yeah.
You got that off. I don't know how you're gonna get it out of his beak.
Yeah.
Just a second.
I mean, so with that?
Just a second. It's wrapped around his leg. The line.
I'm surprised you let us get close enough to pick him up. He's always, his legs were wrapped right to his feet.
Tell if that's around or it's
I have my glasses on.
Oh,
Seeing his leg.
yeah. Well, he's been hooked there.
No. You need me to hold him?
You can clip the one end of the bar.
You want me to hold him? And here, hold that.
Hold it right there. Thank you.
I think he's...
Oh. He got you with, did he get you with a hook? No. No.
Yeah.
There's the hook.
You got it?
I think it's
Good?
done.
Yeah. You good? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy, he can fly.
Yep.
Oh, you all right?